One of the things about surfing is you try to get in the water really early. And you're realizing the amount of plastics that have washed onto shore before anybody else has gotten in there. And you're getting in that water every day. And you're realizing how plastics are affecting you on a daily basis. And that really was one of the catalysts for me really getting involved in the company. Plastics, of course, are not going away. Their applicability in everything from medical to food to industrial is something that cannot be replaced, but you need to find a solution for the other side. You don't have enough solutions right now to be able to take care of the volume of plastics that are actually being created out of necessity in the world today. Mechanical recycling, which only takes care of about 10% of used plastics, is not enough.
So we're focused on the other 90%. We at Braven have the ability to process nearly 90% of all plastics.
Advanced recycling helps recapture used plastics that are otherwise harder to recycle while reducing the need for virgin fossil extraction.
Science of pyrolysis has been around for a century. What we did in our innovation is take the science of pyrolysis and specifically apply it to plastics.
So we're essentially taking these plastics, breaking them down to their original molecular form, and creating a product that can then go in to make new plastics as you would create using virgin materials.
It all starts here at Braven. Our product is brought in from different consumers. We sort all the product here manually. We do 20 tons of recycled plastic a day. Once it comes up our first conveyor line, it goes over to the shredder. Once it goes through our suction tube, it goes over to the reactor. This is the reactor. This is a low emissions facility. This is where the molecular product starts.
That machinery, in the absence of oxygen, is heating those plastics up until they vaporize. And we're taking those vapors and then condensing them back into their liquid form. That's a very simplistic way of looking at what we're doing.
With no oxygen, you could have no combustion.
Once the vapors go into the distillation tower, which is 14 chambers, that's when the condensing starts. We call our customers, come to our pumping system. That's when the tanker comes in, product is shipped out.
From our tankers, they can make any of their own plastics. And every gallon of every truck that we send down to the petrochemical industry eliminates their need to go into the ground and pull more fossil fuels out.
So this is technology which allows us to take used plastic and convert it into something which is useful and keep it out of our environment, keep it out of landfills, keep it out of the waterways, and keep it from being incinerated.
Advanced recycling helps the environment by maximizing the value of used plastics while creating a resilient and sustainable future. Now we're seeing a mind shift in the industry by putting forth innovative ways to give used plastics a second life.
Over the last 10 years, we at Braven have mastered the process of plastics.
Well, we are actually creating a situation where we have true circularity as it applies to plastics. And that's something that, quite frankly, in our view, is revolutionary. Knowing that we are creating a solution that can be applied today is something that we're getting very, very excited about.
It literally becomes construction projects. We execute by putting and implementing our facilities, and slowly but surely, this plastics problem will be a thing of the past.
I want to leave behind a better world for my children. And this is an opportunity for me to have a real role in contributing to that vision.